is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hey guys! This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I'm back. I know it's been a while, but I'm back to show you, give you a little bit of tutorial on how to make this mini album. So it's super easy. You just need a 12 by 12 piece of paper, some decorated paper or some pattern paper like this from DOODLEBUG. That's what I use, and a paper scorer. So let's get started. So first step is you need a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Any color is fine. I'm using white because that's what I used with this one, but you can choose whatever you want that matches with your paper collection. So super easy. All you need to do is score this. I got this idea from Paige Evans, and you can see it in her channel. I'm gonna score it at 2 inches every 2 inches. So score it 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Sorry about the noise in the background. And then put it on its side and score again. That's 6, 8, and 10. Super easy right there. And then all you need to do when you have this paper is you cut from here, from this point. I hope you can see it on the camera. So you can see there's lines in there. So cut it from here up to there. So keep this from here to here intact. So let me do that on camera. So now I've got my scissors. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it, and I'll show you specifically where to cut. This is super easy. It just looks complicated, but really isn't. And you can use those 6 by 6 paper pads that you have lying around, and they're always on sale at Tuesday morning. You can also use a paper trimmer for this. You don't need to manually cut it with your scissors. So see, right there, you cut it up to that point only, and then after that, this is going to be your center, and this is going to be your front. So all you need to do is fold it accordion style right there, and fold this together because it holds it together, and then fold it like so. Now you can see this is exactly what it looks like. And then you use your bone folder. That's it. And then you just decorate away. I'm going to decorate it on hyperlapse so that you can see our finished product right there. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I found a 6 by 6 collection that I'm going to be using to show you how to decorate it. It's super easy, but I found this one, which is Milk and Cookies. And this is like a 2017 collection from DOODLEBUG. And then I found the mini icon stickers. So I think it's going to be easier to decorate. So let's decorate it real quick. And I hope you have fun.
It's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, I'm back. So now we're done. I still have a lot of scraps left over, and I still have these sheets for future mini albums, but this is what we've done. Just a simple mini album for the holidays, because holidays is coming right up. It could be a gift idea for your non-scrapbooking friends to give away, so they can put tiny little pictures. But this is what we've come up with, the holiday version of this travel one. So all you need to do is put your own pictures and some journaling on here, and it's going to be a great gift idea giveaway for your friends. I made this other version from the same 6x6 paper pad, but this time I didn't forget to put this ribbon in the middle where we had that. So it's the same concept. This time I used a pink cardstock for it. Still blank though, but still the same concept. So right there. And then this is another version, another Doodlebug one, but this one is a 3x6 instead of a 2x6. This one I used another Doodlebug collection, the farm one, which I have right here. Oops, sorry. This is called Down on the Farm, and it's pretty cute. Kind kind of like a farm vibe. If you had some pictures in the farm or like a farm party kind of, you can put it right here. Same in the back. But these accommodate more bigger pictures. And then these cut aparts are also part of the paper pad, so you can just cut them up and insert them in there for some added bonus. But these are some great ideas. And again, I found this. Kudos to Paige Evans for her great mini album ideas. Thank you for the idea. But these are some variations in Doodlebug variation. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you inspiration to craft on and use all the paper pad that you have lying around. I hope you had a great time. Comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Anything you have, just let me know. Just give me a shout out right there. I hope you have a crafty day, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.